Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you Microsoft Excel front setting. So for this case we will go to the things, select first of all these things from the home page and we will do the front. So go to alignment from here. This is the front. So what kind of front we do the things, or we'll go to the front here, the font size or font things. Let's do it from here. This is the Arial black. This is the size. See, don't worry, no need to do these things. This is the normal thing, and we'll do the Times Romans. This is the time format. See, so this is the way we can do these things, where the time things. See, sometimes actually the mouse problem, hopefully. See, and the format is 12 or 11. So in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.